Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today we're going to work on part 3 of the candy harness. And you're going to need neon pony beads, clear pony beads, scissors, lots of string. I have some key rings over here. And we're going to start with 2 feet of string here. And you're going to fold it in half. We're going to add a clear bead. We're going to add 3 pink on both sides. You're going to add a clear. It's going to go through both. We're going to add 3 orange on both sides. You're going to add a clear on both. Okay. We need to do 2 sets of rainbows, so here's the first one. I'm going to do the second one off camera and then show you what it looks like. Okay guys, I have both sets of my rainbow on, and I added my last set, which was purple, and then you're going to add a clear for the end, and then you tie these together. Okay, that's what it looks like. We're going to need 4 of these. I went ahead and already made mine. And you're also going to need 4 of these. So just half of the, like we did in the previous videos, you're going to need 4 of these. Okay? So now I'm going to show you how to attach these. I need more room over here. Okay, so this is the neck part, the top part. We're connecting the bottom half. Okay, so these outside ones, that connect in the back. We're going to have to add key rings. Okay, so you should have 2 on the outside. This is the center one, and then 2 on this side. We're going to start with the short ones here, starting with the center. You're going to add 2 of these. Okay, it looks like this. You're going to connect this one to this key ring. This one, you're going to connect to this one. Okay, so we have a square here, and we're going to take another small one, and that's going to go on this key ring. Okay, so you should have a square, and then this one on the end. We're going to do the same thing over here. We already made our square, so we need to take our last small one and add it to this key ring. You know what, guys? I just realized these first key rings that we added need to be on the bottom. Not, you can leave these up here, but so on the ends, on both ends, add your key rings. Okay, so this is like the waist part here. Now what we need to do, let's do one side at a time. You're going to take your long ones, and we're going to do the center key ring over here and the end one over here. So we need to attach it on this ring and on this ring. Okay, there's one, and this one. Okay, so what we're doing, and we're making like a triangle over here. I need more room on this table. We're gonna connect these. So you should have a triangle. Okay. Same thing on the other side. This is the center one that I'm adding this to. This is the outside ring over here. Okay, so we made that triangle over here. Connect these. Okay, now I'm going to put this on the mannequin so you can see what it looks like and yeah, get a better idea. And like I said, these key rings that tie around the back are optional at the top of the bra part. I don't think I need them because it'll make it too big. So I'm going to take those off. But I'm going to put this on the mannequin. I'll be back. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like on the side here. You should have this, should look like this. And I added string to that last short rainbow so you can tie that in the back on both sides. But that's what it looks like so far. I think we're gonna stop for today, and then we'll do part 4 next week. See you guys next time.